All right. We want to connect the Instagram and WhatsApp account. I've already shown you how to connect Facebook. So now I want to connect Instagram and WhatsApp account. This is the Meta Business Suite, the homepage. I'm just going to go to settings. I'll click on settings and then under settings, business info, users, accounts. So under account, I'll go to Instagram account. Then I'll click on add. It's taking some time to load. Note, only Instagram professional account can be added to a business portfolio. So if you have a personal account, it will be switched to a professional account. So I want to add the Instagram account. So it will tell me to log in. So I need to have the login details. If you don't have the login details, you have to get the login details. It's very important to log in. Very, very important to get the login details. So that's what you need to log in. Once you log in, automatically it's connected. That's it. Now we'll go to connecting the WhatsApp. The same place under account, I go to WhatsApp and then I click on add. You can either create a new business WhatsApp account or you link a business WhatsApp account. I prefer you do this. You link your business account. You search under that, you look for Nigeria account. You under Nigeria. I think I've seen Nigeria here. Here, this is Nigeria. And then you type out your account number. Let's see, and then you continue. You click on continue and you link your WhatsApp business account. That's how you link your Instagram and WhatsApp.